Bitcoin offers two things that you don't get anywhere else. Number one, you get guaranteed increase in purchasing power, mathematically guaranteed increase in purchasing power against everything else, every fiat money, gold, property. The other thing that Bitcoin offers that is rare, almost unique to Bitcoin, it might be completely unique to Bitcoin, and that is instant liquidity, 24/7, 365.
If you want to create generational wealth, buy Bitcoin. The debate is over whether Bitcoin can replace fiat currencies continues. While Bitcoin offers many advantages, its volatility and scalability issues pose significant challenges. However, as technology and regulatory frameworks evolve, Bitcoin's role in the global financial system may increase. It is unlikely to completely replace fiat currency in the near future, but it could coexist with traditional currencies, providing an alternative for certain use cases. In this video, we will share Max Keiser's view on Bitcoin as he urges people to buy Bitcoin if they want to create generational wealth. But before you start the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. At some point, no one will accept fiat currency for Bitcoin. So there will be no market to exchange fiat currency for Bitcoin, and no one will want it. It's like if you went to Venezuela and you saw piles and piles of bolivars on the street thrown in the trash. If you picked up a half a ton of this paper, would anyone trade you Bitcoins for that half ton of paper? No, it's worthless. All fiat currency goes to zero. Throughout history, for 300 years, none has survived. The euro just lost out to the Chinese yuan in terms of global use, so the euro has always been very problematic currency. It's on its way to being completely destroyed and going to zero, but eventually they all go to zero. Two things will happen. First, Bitcoin will be valued in gold. Then you'll see the price of Bitcoin in gold will be the most common benchmark for Bitcoin. Also, you'll see Bitcoin will be valued in energy. All the world's energy markets will be quoted in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is essentially energy and energy is Bitcoin. This is really the singularity of Bitcoin, which is moving into a pure energy field where our vibrations and energy exist after a fiat currency world where values are determined by too many subjective and absurd things. And we enter into a more perfectly valued consciousness. And so you will have the price of Bitcoin in gold and the price in energy. But it will no longer be fiat currency because there will no longer be fiat currency. No currency quoted anywhere. Bitcoin offers two things that you don't get anywhere else. First, you get a guaranteed increase in purchasing power, a mathematically guaranteed increase in purchasing power relative to everything else. Any fiat currency, gold, property, artwork, cars, stamps, coins, etc. Bitcoin is guaranteed to increase the purchasing power of everything. Another way to put it is that everything goes to zero relative to Bitcoin. The other thing that Bitcoin offers is rare, almost unique to Bitcoin. This may be completely unique to Bitcoin, and it is instant liquidity, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So the reason you see a lot more volatility in Bitcoin than in other assets is that oftentimes assets are closed on the weekends. There is no market at all, and the only way people can move value is through Bitcoin. So there may be less liquidity that day or that time, so you get some volatility. However, you have guaranteed liquidity. So you have some volatility, but you also have guaranteed liquidity and guaranteed increase in purchasing power. Those who decry volatility as a reason not to own Bitcoins haven't really thought about this. This is especially true when they look at the dollar and say there is no volatility in the dollar. This is true, but it is mathematically guaranteed that purchasing power goes down with the dollar. That's part of the dollar game. It appears stable, but its value is disappearing every second of every day, thanks to your hard work. Bitcoin is the opposite because you gain purchasing power through your hard work every day. That's all for today. Tell us what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video before you go. Thanks for watching.